We're gonna go down there using this rope, man. Okay, my suit is ready again for another waterfall. We're trying to go to this Canlunggad Falls, so we don't know how to go there yet. We're gonna follow some group. Park here. I mean, we made a stop over here because we can't help not stop at this view. It's really nice. So this is the start of our long trail to Canlunggad Falls. They said it's gonna take an hour. So I'm gonna show you guys kung gaano hard, I mean kung gaano kahirap yung dinadaanan. Yeah, I know it's hard, but I still wanna do it for you guys. I mean, for the vlog. No, not for the vlog, but para naman sa mga subscribers ko. This is for my viewers. So, shout out sa inyo dyan. Shout out to VANLIFE Philippines. Shout out Chillax. So, yan. Yung putik na daan. And, you know, since I didn't have my shoes, burning shoes, I have this. Tapos naputol pa yung sandals ko yesterday, and so I borrowed this one from Dre. Too slidey. Better walk, yeah, barefoot. So this is the trail to Canlunggad Falls. So muddy. Yeah, slippers na paano tayo? Kaya nung. Ano ba yan? Yung slippers. And I didn't have my running shoes. Kala ko naabot ng motor or sasakyan. Oh my gosh. Layo pa. Ha? So now we're lost. We don't know if this is the way that or this one here. I think this is the way. That's the very muddy and very steep trail. We're off now to the waterfall. Oh, so that's the trail. Can you hear that? Waterfall. Okay, so good thing there's some railings here. Thank you, locals, for the railings. It's really cool. That's nice. Magali, wala nag-aulan ron. Good thing it didn't rain today. guys, because this is really dangerous, man. I think they have the locals added some railings. Thank you guys. Huh? Inyo ha? Ah. Murag ka ng guys. Nice.
Pati bubos.
That's the okay, so you have to hold the rope and then go down there. We're gonna go down there using this rope, man. Strong naman akong hand. That. Oh my gosh! Ala, slide naman dito. Latak na. Okay! Wow. We made it, guys. Oh, I made it, guys! I made it! Oh my gosh! That is so amazing! It's so worth it. See, that's really nice. This is another waterfall, guys. They said that this Canlunggad Falls is a three-tiered waterfall. So let's see what we have here. Oh, very rough. I mean, so.
Ano?